Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So if you want to add a link to your TikTok bio, this video is for you. But before you do that, if you are making use of personal accounts, it requires a minimum of 1,000 followers in order to have link in their bio. So if you don't have up to 1,000 followers, you cannot add link to your bio. If you're making use of business accounts, you do not require any minimum follower before you be able to add link to your TikTok bio. So now, if you want to add link to your TikTok bio, the first step you're going to take is to go to the particular app you want to copy the link and add to your TikTok bio. For this video, I'm going to make use of my YouTube link. So I just have to go my YouTube and copy the link. So you just have to copy the link, then head straight to my TikTok account. So on your TikTok account, you just have to click on your profile. Clicking on your profile, you just have to click on edit profile. The next thing you have to do is to click on links. So you're going to see the first option that says website. I just have to click on website and paste the link. Click on save. Now it has been saved. I just have to go back. Now you can see that the link I copied from my YouTube has been saved on my TikTok. So guys, that is it on how to add a link to your TikTok bio. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this video. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.